It's the country's richest civic body, but despite that, hundreds of children are dying. Innocents with a critical heart condition. Only one hospital has the capacity to treat them, that too with limited and archaic equipment. Why? Their treatment has been stuck in red tape and the officials of the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation are clueless. Where is India's conscience?
These infants died waiting for a heart surgery at this hospital in Mumbai. Reason? Criminal red tape in acquiring the equipment required to perform the open heart surgery. KEM, the only state-run hospital in Mumbai with the expertise to conduct open heart surgeries on children, has been waiting for 3 critical heart-lung machines for the last 4 years.
हाँ, वो लोग बोले थे ना 7 तारीख को ऑपरेशन कर देंगे 7 नवंबर को, फिर लेके गई तो नहीं किए, वापस भेज दी, बोले 6-7 किलो होगा फिर करेंगे.
But these 4 are not the only victims of the shocking red tape by India's richest civic body, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation. The wait seems to be endless for at least 350 children who are in the queue for the surgery at this hospital.
जल्दी से जल्दी करना पड़ेगा मेरे को, सोच रहा हूँ 2 साल से इतना जी लिया, अभी इसके ऊपर मैं कैसे जीऊँ वो तो मालूम नहीं मेरे पास. जल्दी अभी ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा मेरे को.
For 4 operation rooms in this cardiac ward, only one has heart and lung machine. That forces doctors to reject most of the cases that come here in hope. Shockingly, an estimated 150 children have died waiting to be treated since 2009 at this hospital.
कितने टाइम से आप लोग यहाँ पे? 1 महीना हो गया है.
Doctors also tell us that basic equipment needed for surgeries is also lacking. But the world's richest municipality has no explanation to offer.
बाकी सारे हॉस्पिटल में केम का खाली ये नए परचेस मशीन का प्रॉब्लम था और इसीलिए सब दिक्कतें आई है, लेकिन जल्द से जल्द क्लियर हो जाएगी.
When this story was reported in the Mumbai Mirror, India's leading cardiac surgeon Devi Shetty was shocked.
Today, children suffering from heart disease, their life can be saved and they can get back to normal life and lead and enjoy normal life like all of us. So this is not acceptable.
At the Narayan Hrudayalaya in Bangalore, Dr. Shetty shows what proper cardiac care can do to help the suffering infants. A case in point is
in Pune also, some of the doctors said that go to the Bangalore, Narayan Hrudayalaya, and we came here, and here they given a treatment and they said that they will operate.
The KEM hospital is not the only public hospital that has a problem when it comes to critical care for infants with heart problems. With only 4 public hospitals in India offering this care, the wait for patients like these continues to be agonizing. How many more children with cardiac problems will go untreated before the government wakes up to the enormity of the situation? Should all private hospitals in India who have the medical facility be made to end the waiting list? And can all private healthcare providers step forward to save thousands of children awaiting cardiac surgery?